Hey, what's up, guys? Got Corey from Fresh Produce here. Brendan's here.
Yo.
We're gonna be working on my E46, putting in a clutch delay valve. Let me find it over here. So Corey makes this kit. It's like Tilton clutch delay valve and BMRS lines that him and Brendan put together. And yeah, we're gonna install it. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is remove the stock lines and you go up here, you got a quick disconnect and I don't know, like a 9 or a 10 millimeter on here. Pull it all apart. This comes with the adapter fitting as well as the P clamps to hold everything in place and a tap and a few bolts right there to make it all sturdy. All right, Corey, what are we gonna be installing today?
All right, so this is the kit. Everything that comes in the clutch delay valve kit is right here. We got our securing clamps to mount the line and the delay valve. Got our mounting hardware. We got a M6 drill tap to tap into the transmission. Got our slave cylinder adapter. Got the master cylinder adapter. Nice Tilton clutch valve, and then the 2 BMRS lines that we crimped here.
So what he's talking about drilling and tapping the trans, he's talking about is this boss right here, right?
Yep.
So you drill and tap right there. Add the P clamp for the line, just to make sure everything's secured. Here's the adapter fitting for the slave, and then the other adapter fitting for the master goes right here. We're gonna be running the Tilton valve with the point
40.
Yeah, point 40, I think. These ones are
Is that 40 millimeters?
021. Yeah, 40 millimeters. And
40,000.
and these are the ones that it come with, but we're not gonna run those. We're just gonna run the largest one for now, see how it feels. That's the delay valve right there. So we're gonna start by tapping. Let's go, boys. So this is where we marked the trans right there. We're gonna start by drilling the hole, drill and tapping the hole. Make sure it's straight. So nice and slow. Speed it up a little bit. Wear safety glasses, guys, because you don't want any shavings in your eyes.
Safety squints.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna stop filming now. It's just gonna take forever. So we're all done drilling and tapping the boss and the trans. Take the provided 10 millimeter hardware. You can start by threading it in. Just like that. Take your... You done? Got it? Alright. Take your adapter fitting and take the stock clip that comes with the line over here. Put it in just like that. And insert your clip just like that. That's all hooked up. And Corey, which line goes where? This one?
I believe it's the 90.
90 goes right here.
Yep.
Just like this. On there. Sorry, I'm handicapped.
Make sure you cross-thread it real good.
Yeah, make sure you cross-thread it. And Corey has a great warranty on this too, so if you cross-thread yours, you don't need to worry. He'll take care of it.
There's no warranty on cross-threads.
What do you mean? It's like Canadian Loctite. Here, I'm just give up, Corey, because I'm just filming right now. We're gonna get it threaded on there, guys. Don't worry.
Anyways.
Okay, we got this threaded on here. Corey had to help me. You know, I don't really know what I'm doing. Take this.
Oh.
Thread this bad boy in here. Just like that, you know. If you have any questions, stuff, I reach out to Corey about this. Which side of the line goes where? Okay, don't reach out to Corey if you have any questions. Just assume it goes this way.
Yeah, I couldn't remember the routing.
Boom, right? We'll figure it out. Where'd this go, Corey? This go right here.
Pretty sure this honestly went something like that.
Corey's terrible at filming, so I'm taking over.
This is your video, dude.
Oh, what? So we almost forgot to film this. You got to drill and tap this right here. Make it far over. That way the you got the P clamp in your pocket.
No.
Where you set it? Dude, you can't trust this guy. That way you can flip it up like that, because that way it stays out of the way. So you know, thread this bad boy in here, just like that. Don't trust me. And we're gonna assemble it all real quick, tighten it all up, and start bleeding it.
Yeah.
Once again, taking over filming. So here's the kit. He starts laughing. Here's the kit fully installed. Everything's tapped, fitted up. Should be good to go. We're gonna start bleeding it here in a few minutes. Excited to save this transmission. All right, so we just finished up installing the clutch delay valve. Kind of a pain to bleed, but that's to be expected. It's kind of tight down there, and I have a really small clutch reservoir on the car, so it would, like, every time you'd pump the pedal, it would pretty much drain the entire thing. You can see down here, but excited to try it out. Definitely, if you're looking for one, reach out to Corey at Fresh Produce Manufacturing. He can get you set up. Thanks for watching.